PARKSIDE Assorted Washers Set. Small parts, big difference. Today I'm showing you this PARKSIDE Assorted Washers Kit. A compact box that can save you a lot of time during repairs and DIY projects. Inside the case, you get a wide variety of washers in different sizes and materials. There are flat washers, rubber sealing washers, and plastic spacers. Perfect for plumbing, furniture assembly, electrical projects, and general workshop use. Everything comes neatly organized in separate compartments, so you don't waste time searching for the right size. Just open the box, grab what you need, and get back to work. This set includes hundreds of pieces, covering the most common diameters, making it ideal for home repairs, automotive jobs, or any DIY task where proper spacing and sealing matters. The transparent case lets you see what's inside instantly, and the sturdy plastic keeps everything protected and easy to carry in your toolbox. Whether you're fixing a leaking pipe, mounting hardware, or building something from scratch, this PARKSIDE washer set is one of those small upgrades that makes your workshop smarter and more efficient. Simple, practical, reliable. And that's it for today. If you enjoy tool reviews and DIY content like this, make sure to hit subscribe, drop a like, and join the Mr. EAGLESTONE workshop crew. See you in the next build.